So this question might come up. If you're getting this a lot, I'll cover some of the situations on why not to do this. But can I just use my 10 insurance visits? And this comes up less and less because insurance doesn't cover nearly as much as it used to. And a lot of this is education prior to that point. And so if they don't get the big idea, you'll get this question a lot. So this is a red flag to me that they didn't understand anything that I just went through after doing their thermography, their surface electromyography, and taking x-rays and showing them what's going on. If I recommend more than 10 visits of care and they say, can I only come at 10 visits, they're thinking, I want to get out of pain. I don't care about actually fixing the structure and the core of what's going on in the main problem. And so I would say this. I would say, Randy, your insurance covers 10 visits. You can see the underlying cause of your problem has been there for a very, very long time. Is 10 visits going to get you feeling better? I don't know. Will it? Do I think it will? Potentially, yes. Will it not? It's potential that in 10 visits you won't feel any difference either. So then what are you going to do at that point? Then you got to make a decision. Well, am I going to continue or am I not going to continue? So let's say you don't feel any better. Are you going to continue? And he's going to say, well, I don't know. Well, what if this is what I'm going to do, Gary or Jerry. We're going to look at objective findings. What am I seeing when I adjust you? Is that improving? We'll remeasure your thermography, your SEMG, to make sure your nervous system is improving, to make sure your muscular system is improving. We're going to be able to, at some point, take a re-x-ray and see the structure of your spine changing. And so that's what our goal is, to remove nerve interference. And as we do that, the symptoms will improve and get better. The insurance is to cover 10 visits, but our goal is to actually help you correct this. So not only does your symptoms go away, but this doesn't keep coming back. And in 6 months from now, it's worse. And 12 months from now, it's worse. And then who knows what's going to happen down the road.